everyone, and welcome to Dixie Quilters. Woo! And I'm Marlene, and I'm just taking a nice Sunday afternoon in my sewing room, and just spent the whole morning with the grandkids, and woo, almost need a nap, you know. But I wanted to show you what I decided to go with on the flowering quilt along for Sew Sampler monthly subscription quilting box. So I made a choice. Remember, I was having you help me make a choice between these different kinds of fabric that I was looking at? I'm sorry, I went ahead and used something totally different. Here, I had so many nice comments about which one, to use. And I got to thinking about all those wonderful bundles of Lori Holt colors. Like there was like 10 or 12 fat quarters of all her different brands, different lines that she had that were all teal or aqua or that color of flavors. And I bought another big bundle of say 15 or 20 fat quarters of the taupe and the tan and the dark beige, her colors in that. And even some of it was called gray. And then I went and added a couple of different fabrics. Oh, and those bundles, I got those at Rebs Fab Stash with Christy, who I think is now in Spokane, Washington. And let's see now. So I wanted to show you what I did. So this is called This'll Be a Beautiful Day block. I'm sure you've seen other people that have done them in the different fabrics. But isn't that a lovely block? I really like it. And you know, the other thing that I really like is how Fat Quarter Shop really does excellent directions. You know, I can even show you, this is, under my fingers are the measurements, but they show you every step. And on the inside here, it shows you every step to go, you know? It's wonderful. So this is This'll Be, and it's spelled thistle, like a weed. This'll be the day. This'll be a beautiful day. Okay, so this is what I decided to do it in. The taupes and the aquas. And can you tell how it's all flat and ironed? I started using Best Press. I have to admit, it's a game changer. I have resisted using starch and Best Press and everything under the sun. I just have resisted. I don't know why, but I did. So I actually finally got some, and I think I got it on Walmart.com delivered. It was quite reasonable. And bang! Isn't that nice? That's where I got my roll of 80/20 Pellon. And I ordered it from Walmart, and they were having it on sale for $42 or $44 for 9 yards. And so it came from Walmart too, and just showed up in about, I'd say, 3 days. So great. Now this is the other one. This one's called Stop and Smell the Roses block. And this is block number 3. And these are huge blocks. Sort of looks like a rosebud, don't you think? How it's all folded around. Seems to me I saw a pattern that was 3-dimensional roses. That was one I made about 10 years ago. And you used piecing like this to make the circular and the multicolored layers, or layers. And then on top of it, you took a ribbon and hand stitched a ribbon with little gatherings in it all the way around that 2 or 3 times, so that it was 3-dimensional rows too. So that was a real pretty quilt, but didn't hold up to laundering very well. But the pieces are all intact. It's just the ribbons did come off. Anyway, so this one is Stop and Smell the Roses. And this brown with the reddish peach flowers in the fabric, that is not a Lori Holt. It is one that I just really love though. And I got it from Rita's Quilted Chicken Farm, her website. I don't know if she still has it or not. Some of you may recognize it because I know it's a well-known designer. See how big those are? They're 18 and a half. So there's block 2 and 3. And I have yet to order block number 1, but it's in my basket for a PDF download, and then I don't have to pay shipping. So I'll be getting that probably on Friday of this coming week. Okay then, so there is my decision, is to go forward with the Sew Sampler Flowering Quilt Along in Lori Holt and Friends fabrics. So I hope you're doing something today too. What kind of projects are you working on? I was ready to do Lynne Coe, and I went in and downloaded month number 6 again. And then I realized, oh shoot, I already did that one. I gotta wait till next week to get July. Now I know you guys never do anything like that. But anyway, let's see. What are we doing today? I'm doing a joint video with Lynn Lockard and Missouri Outlaw, Randy. Another quilter, couple of quilters in our quilting community on YouTube. So that'll be fun. So I hope to see you then. And we'll see you later this week if I finally get around to doing some more. I think the next 2 things I need to work on are before Lynne Coe comes out, I really should do another Civil War and another Fig Tree. Get a couple of more of those cranked out. And I just now started on my newest little project called Santa's Helper. And it's a wall hanging. Let me lean forward here. Let's see, this is what it looked like. Santa's Little Helper. And it's all fusible applique. And the finished product is really quite small, a 6-inch by 22-inch wall hanging. And it comes with that beautiful little hanger. And it's made out of metal, not plastic. So, hope you're having a wonderful day. Stay out of that 100-degree weather. Make sure you stay hydrated. Okay, take care. Bye-bye now.